call it the Land of Enchantment. I didn't believe it at first. Still don't, to be honest. I think that's just what they put on the signs. Then again, maybe they're right. The New Mexico section of the TAT is pretty short. It only stretches around 70 miles or so. And the DR650 made light work of it for the most part. I'm not complaining. Let's see if it's this way. It's following the road too. Cool little trail. Wonder if this is the overlook, or no, it keeps going up. What a view. After finishing up the trail, I decided to duck down into Santa Fe. There was some bad weather and Telluride, and I kind of wanted to avoid that. I don't know how much good it did me though.
Let it rain all night. I wish that it could wash away everything you
Yep, that's hail.
nice. I pray that I can pull apart your head and fix you up. I said you
After Arkansas and Oklahoma, the bike definitely needed a bath.
I'd wear your blood like war paint, blood like war paint. Let it rain all night. I wish that it
Fuel level is perfect, actually. in Santa Fe, I decided to go explore around the national forest. Had a good time, honestly. On a smaller little road now. Hopefully, I think this overlooks the Rio Grande. I don't know how big it's going to be though. It did just rain yesterday. I go straight, not up the hill. It's steep, but I can make it. I don't know if I can make it up it. I can make it down it. It is steep and slick. Sand. Hey girls. Well, there's the bull. This one's about to take off running. He was running towards me. Rock garden time. Now, if you drop your bike here, it hurts. This is good practice for Colorado, though. There's a lot of these there. I want to stop and eat lunch here, or I want to keep going and see if the view gets better. This just keeps getting more and more technical. Yeah, it wasn't that bad actually. I do have a limit, and I know about where it is. This is the slipperiest mud I've ever experienced. So like that doesn't look like a bad puddle, but I guarantee you I would get stuck. So I'm gonna push it back. Like the bike won't even, like if I gave it gas to go this way, it's like stuck in this track. It doesn't even have enough traction to get out around it. So I think I'm gonna turn around and then hit the main trail and then ease my way back. Enough is enough. Yeah, that was fun though. I mean, look at this. Look, a route around. Definitely ridden in more boring places though. Looks like I have a rocky path and a, oh, definitely this way. Or motorbike, this way's a lot easier. It was now time for me to make my way on up to Four Corners and start the Colorado VDR. New Mexico never fully enchanted me, but it wouldn't let me leave without showing me some very pretty views. the end of the day, 2 days isn't nearly enough to soak it all in. I'll definitely be heading back.